start on top, right? Don't talk until I say so. I'm. Oh, no, because if you talk on the transition.
Okay. Hey guys, I'm Kimberly from Fat Quarter Shop, and today we're gonna go over the woods and through the river to make what the heck? Oh, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. And your 2 outside lines. Oh, you did not see that. I don't know what I did, but okay. And this is your first step. So you're gonna make 12 of these, and then, I don't know. 'Tis the season to get ready for Christmas. We hope you'll join this awesome, I don't even know.
Wait, are we not doing the top?
We are.
Pattern?
Oh girl, we didn't even reference it.
Yeah, the pattern or
The pattern.
If you're joining late, you still have time to sign up. What am I talking about?
Yeah.
That was good.
That was great.
I mean, you said ear like 12 times at the beginning.
Oh my God, Jordan, what is wrong with you today? Now from here, make sure to subscribe and join me next week for the finishing of the Haunted Halloween mystery, blah, blah, blah. Okay, let me do it this way. Okay. My next trick, treat, okay. I'd love for you to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more finishing options like this.
Did you see that thing fall?
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you doing, sir? If you've got a new quilter that you're friends with, you might want to share with them. Okay, whatever. Okay,